Good morning students. Today I am teaching to you lesson number 8, Fun with Tuxpaint. Childrens, when you draw or paint, you can use different things like colors, pencil, watercolor, marker, crayon, etc. Similarly, on a computer you can use different programs to draw and paint. One of the easy to use and enjoyable painting program is called TuxPaint. TuxPaint is a award-winning free software for children with many interesting features. TuxPaint is a wonderful drawing program for children like MS Paint. TuxPaint has a lot of great tools, funny animation, magic effect, which make it one of the best magic software. It is a variety of tools help the children to create beautiful design. We can add stamps to our drawing. Funny sound effects are also played when we select any tools. Then how to start TuxPaint then? Click on the start button. Go to the all program. Then select TuxPaint. You can see. And then again select TuxPaint windowed. In this way you can open your TuxPaint. It is your welcome screen. And this TuxPaint program is made by Bill Kendrick. TuxPaint program is made by Bill Kendrick. Now TuxPaint has a 4 corner. One is the left, right, top and bottom. In the left corner you will get here toolbox. It is your toolbox. It is your drawing area. It is your color box. It is your help box and it is your option box. There are 5 main parts of the TuxPaint, that is, one is the toolbox, second one is the drawing area, third one is the option box, fourth one is the color box and fifth one is a help box. These are the 5 main parts of TuxPaint program. And all parts have a different function. The white space is like your drawing sheet. It is your like a drawing sheet white space. You can open blank page here. In this way you can open. Click on new option. Click on this new tool. Select any blank page and click on open. It is page like your drawing book. You can draw and paint it. It is called drawing area. Second is the different option like it is a toolbox. It has a different option like a paint, stamp, eraser, line, shape, text, label, eraser, new. It is a toolbox. Means different option like paint, stamp, line, shape and eraser are grouped together in a toolbox. Depending on the selected tools, now I am selecting here paint, you are getting here brushes option. If you will select here eraser, you are getting in a eraser option, different size of eraser. If you select here magic tool, you are getting here in the option box different magic effects. It is a option box, means depending on the selected tool, the selector show different items. For example, when you open the paint option, you will get here different brushes. It show the various brushes in the option box. Means option box show a different option. This is your color palette. You can select different colors and color your drawing just like in your color book. Help box show the tips of doing task here. Pick a color and brush shape to draw with. Like message you are getting on the help box. Help box show the tips for doing a task. In this way, it is the part of your TuxPaint program. Now we will see here tools. Different tools are here. And what is the function of all tools? We will see now. It is a paint tool. Paint tool show different styles of brushes. Now I show to you. It is a pen tool. If you select paint tool, you are getting here different brushes. You can see. This is your brush. Second one. This is your brush. Third. It is your brush. If you click on this arrow, you are getting again different brushes. You can see. It is your brushes. Next is the text tool. It is a text tool. Text tool have to type text. It is this text tool is used for typing text. You can write here any name. Purvi. In this way you can type here name. Next is the eraser tool. Eraser. It is your eraser tool. If you click on this eraser tool, in option box you are getting here different eraser, and you can rub easily. Various sizes of eraser are here. Next, open tool. It is open tool. If you click on this open tool, whatever you saved here drawing, you are getting here on the open tool. Okay, you can open from here. Click on this any drawing, save drawing, and click on open. In this way you can open your any drawing. Next is the shape tool. It is a shape tool. You will get here different shapes. First we will open blank page. Click on new tool and click on blank document and click on open. It is variety of shapes. It is a rhombus. Select any tool. You can draw in this way. It is your shape tool. Then magic tool. Magic tool is having different magic effect like this. It is a brick. Next is the next magic tool. Blind. Next, chalk. Drip. Darken. Lot of magic effects are here. You can see. I will take here new page. Then I will show to you how to use the magic effect. This is the real magic effect. Then here is a rainbow magic effect. Pattern magic effect. Various magic effects are here. New tool is used for open the new drawing, blank page, and then save tool is used for saving. Simply you have to click on save. Automatic your drawing will save. and quit tool is used for close the TuxPaint program. For closing the TuxPaint program, we will use here quit tool. In this way, you have to use all tools and draw your drawing. Is it clear, students? Okay.